guys, welcome back to today's channel and welcome back to Ava and Bella's fun. Let's get started. Today I have a very special trick I'm going to share with you because our grandparents came over today and they our grandpa showed us a trick to do. So first there's an apple in this cup, okay? And this cup has no apple, see? So remember this cup has no apple. So we're gonna tap that and then this apple is gonna go into that cup that has no apple. Tap, tap. See? And there's no apple here now. So that's the trick. How you do it is, so there's actually two apples, that's the thing. And so if you want an apple to stay in there, you just it's in there but you just pinch it. And if you want an apple to just be there, then you just don't pinch it. So that's the trick, guys. Bye.
Today we're gonna do a special trick. Let's get started. First you pinch this, then you tap this and this, and then there's apple in here, and then there's no apple in there. So that's a trick. Bye, guys.